Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your Webull account is verified and crypto trading is enabled. This avoids checkout delays. Once done, link your bank and initiate an ACH or wire to fund your buying power. Transfers may take 1 to 3 business days. Make sure to accept the crypto risk disclosure in settings so trading is permitted. Finally, open the Webull app, tap Trade, and search ETH. This gets you to the order screen immediately, so you can place your first buy. Now you decide how to buy. Choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to target a specific price. This is important because market orders may slip in volatile times. You then enter either the USD amount you want to spend or the ETH quantity you want to receive and double-check displayed fees and estimated execution price. Make sure to set order duration, day or good till canceled, so your order behaves as you expect. Confirm the preview and swipe, or tap to submit. After submission, watch the order status in orders and the transaction feed so you can confirm the fill and exact ETH amount received. This also shows fees paid. If the order doesn't fill, first check your available funds and whether your limit price was reachable versus current market. If you see errors or halts, collect the order ID and screenshots, then contact Webull support with details. Doing that quickly speeds resolution and preserves evidence if a manual correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.